Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal. You're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. In today's video, I'll not just be sharing view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, but I'll also be sharing 2 to 3 stocks which probably can go higher, and they seem to be nice swing trading setups. All right. So first, as we have a look at the daily chart of Nifty spot, we can see that Nifty has made a new lifetime high today. The trend seems to be up, obviously, in the daily and in the hourly time frame charts. In the daily time frame chart, one thing is still very visible, that prices are making a higher high. You can see over here, and RSI is making a lower high. Well, this is not a sign of a top. This is just a sign that the momentum is waning. The velocity with which this particular rally did occur, in comparison to that, this particular velocity will be lesser. That is the first thing. Second thing is, as of now, if we talk about resistances, important resistances, I guess an important resistance is somewhere around 22,400. Even this particular high, 21,500 or 600 was surpassed. Well, there are a couple of small resistance in between, but according to me, an important resistance is somewhere around 22,400 thereabouts. Okay. In the hourly time frame chart of Nifty spot, if you remember, I clearly had mentioned when this 300 points fall did occur, I clearly mentioned that 20,900 is a very important support. Until and unless we do not close below 20,900, guessing that the markets will come down or they will crash will make no sense. And you can see the bottom did occur exactly above 20,900 levels. All right. Bank Nifty, if you check, today's rally in Bank Nifty was really nice, was confident. Even the candle is looking good in the daily and especially in the hourly time frame charts. And this particular support has acted pretty nicely, especially this 47,486 levels. And it is probable that Bank Nifty will continue to move higher. An immediate resistance on the daily time frame chart comes at around, you can say 48,900 to 48,950 levels. All right. Now, first two stocks are the banking stocks. The first one is ICICI Bank. If you have a look at the hourly time frame chart, the stock is trying to, trying to jump from an important support band, and you can see properly when the prices moved up over here and when they came down, when they were trying to come down. If I convert this particular chart into a line chart, you can see a lower low in price, but in RSI it was a higher low. So this was possibly the first sign that the price is trying to move higher. Then again we saw some sort of rejection over here by the prices, but again we saw a confident move. So if we have a good breakout in this ICICI Bank hourly time frame chart, then it is a probable that upside momentum will be probable. The second stock which I would like to share with all of you is Axis Bank. Axis Bank, if you can see, there was a consolidation, then a sharp sell-off, and after this sharp short-term sell-off, suddenly there was a rise in price, and after a consolidation, the price is trying to move up. So again, we need to have a proper breakout over here, and if you check, this particular high in candle is giving a support. Okay, this high of the candle somewhere around 1080 is giving support to this low over here. And if you have a short-term breakout in the hourly time frame charts of Axis Bank, then you can fancy your chances that Axis Bank may catch up momentum on the upside. And the third and the last stock is L&T Financial Holding. Now this stock has already started catching up momentum. And if I just plot over here the Fibonacci extension, you can see that the price has trying to bounce back from a Fibonacci extension. Yeah, there is no positive divergence over here. That is a negative point. But nevertheless, prices are showing its resilience to come down, and there is a lot of powerful structure in this particular stock. The way it's moving up, the first rise and consolidation, again a rise. So if you have a short-term breakout even in L&T Financial Holding, then it's a possibility that it could give a sharp move on the upside. All right. So according to me, overall, I should say that markets are looking okay. Yes, there are signs in Nifty. I don't deny that the upside momentum is waning, but it is also visible to all of us as traders that market is trying to show its resilience and it's not ready to come down. It's a typical nature of a bull run. But there is one thing which is still going on the back of our mind. When you open a weekly time frame chart in Nifty, in weekly time frame charts, the prices are looking way too overstretched. So as a trader, I will always have this on the back of my mind. Yes, I'll continue to initiate new long positions, but at the same point of time, I'll not go extremely aggressive. That is what you need to understand. All right. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how markets may pan out in the next few days. And if you feel that this particular video has helped you and added a lot of value to your analysis also, then try to share this video with other traders also. Trade less, trade safely. Thank you.